Okay, what we're gonna see here is Neil McFarland talking about a $13 million contract. And listen to this. Listen to this.
Because we don't want to ask everybody to go to the great work of developing the RFP and the pricing information. And after all of that process ensued, the highest ranked proposer, considering both the qualifications and the RFQ technical score, as it were, the RFP technical score, and the price was Skanska, with a maximum number of points, and also the lowest price. So the Skanska price was 3% less than the independent cost estimate, which is well within our budget for the garage. Allows also the election of some alternates, which include some green technology adds to the garage, and that will be those that will actually be exercised at no price to us under the Skanska proposal. And finally, I would just note that there will still be a design process with the design-build process. So one of the things we hope to do is continue to mold the project so that it is well regarded and well received by the neighborhood and those around it. We're not done with that process. We're really starting in on a much more detailed phase where we can actually begin to look at those trade-offs in a very much more scientific way. The recommended award here is for the contract amount plus about a $950,000 change order allowance, as noted, between design and permitting risk at about 3% and construction risk at about 5%. Total authorization requested from the board is $13,150,000. Skanska estimates that will obtain 22% of contract value in disadvantaged business, and in its program in the past been very successful with us.
Did you see what happened there? Did you actually listen to what happened there? It's $1 million here, $1 million there. He just gave them whoever he's talking. First thing I want to say, I couldn't understand a word of what he was saying about the contract. Could you understand any of what he said? Because I sure as hell couldn't understand anything. I mean, it was all gibberish to me. But I did hear him say, well, we want to give them an extra $950,000, bringing the contract to like a 13 million some odd dollars. God damn it. All right. And so it's another example of another. Do you notice something? I'm noticing something very. I'm noticing a pattern here. $1 million, $1 million. Everything they do is like $1 million. They need more money for the streetcar. It's $1 million, and they justified it by saying they needed it for training. Okay, they wanted raises. It was $1 million. This contractor wanted more money. It's $1 million. It's like $1 million is their increment of doing business. Everything is in $1 million increments, and $1 million to them is like nothing. But what you see in this clip is the problem with TriMet here. You know, they're just throwing money around like it's nothing, and we don't get to know what the hell they're talking about because you can't understand a word he's